Good afternoon. I am Dr. A.V. Shaunik. I am a laparoscopic general surgeon practicing here in Barbaj Hospital and in Noida, Delhi also. Also, I have a keen interest in nutrition and wellness. So, what we are talking about today is on disease. Why do we have so many diseases taking place today and they are increasing more and more? In fact, the major worry, for example, is the heart disease, which is around 30 million in India. If you look at diabetes, it is 50 million people are suffering from diabetes. Cancer, more than 3 million people have cancer in India, and more than 1.5 lakh, more than 5 lakh people die of cancer every year. Then we have lung diseases, asthma, bronchitis, stress. Stress is a major cause of all these disease factors. Obesity, increasing obesity. So these are the problems which are taking place, and they are not only taking place in adults, but they are taking place in younger and younger ages, right up to 12 to 13 years old. You are having diabetes, youngest is around 13 years age, suffering from late onset diabetes. Now, the question is, why are we having all these diseases and what can we do about them? What is to be understood is that all these diseases are caused by what we call as free radicals. Free radicals are unstable particles which are produced whenever any metabolism is taking place in the body. Free radicals are produced, and these are countered. These are unstable, so they are countered by what are known as antioxidants, which counter or balance the free radicals. Now the problem is that there is a gap between the free radical production and the balancing which is taking place by the antioxidants. Now what are causing the free radicals? The free radicals is all your pollution, the chemicals which are coming into our body. All these chemicals, whether in the air or in the food, insecticides, pesticides, ureas, DAP, all these chemicals, then in the air with the various plastics being burned, pollution that is coming, increasing every day. Now all these in the body are converted to free radicals, and which, being unstable, when they hit, for example, the DNA of the body, it will cause cancer. If they strike the LDL, what is known as the bad cholesterol, it oxidizes the LDL, and this oxidized LDL will enter the free radical damaged artery walls to form fat deposits in the vessels, which cause your heart disease. So same way, these free radicals will cause inflammation in the bronchi, in the air passages of the lungs, which give rise to your bronchitis, asthma and all. Now these are the free radicals. The counter to this is the antioxidants. Antioxidants are in your food, nutrition. In the food, the vitamins, the minerals, these are the ones which are the antioxidants. Now what is happening? Over the years, our chemical attack, this free radical attack has gone up. Between 1944 and 2015, which is, or 2016, you can take it. Roughly the free radical attack has gone up by 500 times. What has happened to our food? The food which our grandparents were eating in 1944 roughly, they no longer have the same nutrients what you're finding in the foods in 2015. For example, the copper content of one tomato in 1944, today you have to eat nearly 8 to 10 tomatoes to get the same copper content. So since the nutrients have depleted, have gone down more than 15 times, and the free radical attack has gone up by more than 500 times, so you have a major imbalance, which is called the nutritional. This is the nutritional imbalance which has taken place, and it's also known as the nutritional deficit. And this is the cause of most of our diseases. How do we take care of these diseases? To do this, we will discuss this in the next clipping. If there are any questions which you would like to raise, you can contact me on the Lybrate website itself by SMS or by talking to me or coming to my clinic in the Bhalbaj hospital. Thank you.